fucking freezing. Brick City movie. Let's see what's up. Open the loop, open the loop, open the loop, open the loop.
Right now, shit. Yo, they post on Instagram.
Oh, Panda, lit. My son getting a 10. Only 1-9? Bomb.
What's your membership, bro?
I need that 9. 5. Boom. It's lit. Guys, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome to my review, my Panda review. Let me go get this Panda real quick, you know. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good, you know what I'm saying? I got some Panda. I got a Panda. You know what I'm saying? Woo! The Panda Dunks. Woo! You know, I got a couple sneakers, couple collection that I love, you know. Up there. Damn, it's taller than me, taller than my hair. You see, guys? Woo! But, you know, I'm about to talk about the Panda Dunks today. How many of you got a Panda Dunk? I hope you guys got a Panda. You know, I was able to cop one, luckily. Thank God. And, you know, I've been doing this thing for a while. You know, I've been collecting sneakers for a while. You know, I sell some sneakers, you know what I'm saying? If you ever need some sneakers, let me know, guys. You know what I'm saying? You know, maybe I'll do a giveaway, you know? So, you know, I'm about to get in this review, this Panda review. And, you know, my name ain't on the go. I be everywhere, you know? I be in your city. I be all around. You probably see me somewhere, you know? But, you know, I'm about to get in this Panda review. Let me know what you think. Yeah, guys, so, you know, got the Panda. What you think about these Panda, guys? Woo! These Panda, honestly, you know, it's pretty cool, pretty fire. I got another Panda Dunk over there, but tell me what you think about these. Where did I get it? I got it at Foot Locker, you know, a couple days, well, yesterday, to be honest. And, you know, it was pretty cool. People was camping out, going crazy early in the morning. You know, calm, can't complain. I mean, you know, I was able to get it, luckily. It was a couple pairs in the store, you know. Hopefully, you know, thank God it didn't sell out on me. I was able to get this size. Ooh, 10.5. You know, let's see on the feet how it goes. Because honestly, I love the black and white. You know, you could go with anything, but let's see. Boom. Ooh. What you think about these, guys? Ooh, these Panda Dunks. I mean, I wish I could put these on, but yeah, that's not my size. These are a bam size 8. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what you think. Which Panda is better? These or these? Which Panda? Yeah, I like the material on these Dunks, honestly. You know, it's pretty comfortable. See? Pretty comfortable, I can't lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put on the other toe and see what's up. Oh, I got another Panda. That one's for my boo-boo. And, you know, just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I got another, that's another sneaker, but yeah, let me see. Let me take out the Panda right now and show you guys what's up. Bam! Yup, 10.5. I don't wear 10.5. I wear size 10 to be honest. So, trying these out. Ooh, tell me what you think. Oh, I can't lie. These Pandas is fire though. I make these look good. What you think, guys? Shoot. Woo! Panda. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I can't lie. It's great for every day. You can match anything with it. You see, I got a yellow socks and it still look good. You know? Well, tell me what you guys think. But honestly, yeah, it's pretty comfortable. You know? And honestly, it could go with any fit, you know? Woo! You see the Panda? Woo! Look at that, guys. Ah. Bam. Woo! Yeah, tell me what you think about what Panda do you like. I mean, you know, honestly, I like the black and white. It's fire. You know what's so funny? The black and white Panda, it could go great with these. Ooh, Let me know if you guys seen these though. The Calabash. These pants are fire. What? Yo, the Calabash with these. Look at that. Bam. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. And then with with the sweatshirt. Ooh. With the Balenciaga sweatshirt. Any black sweatshirt go good. Any color go good. So let me know, guys. I've been doing this thing for a while. Collecting sneakers. Been outside with I love to do this. This is my passion, and honestly, this is all I do. Real talk. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't work. I don't do the 9 to 5. I don't. You know what I'm saying? I don't really. I do me. You know what I'm saying? I really get up every day, make my own schedule. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it's hard. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it's lit. You know what I'm saying? Other time you having down moments. You like, damn, how I'm gonna make this money? You know what I'm saying? How you gonna do this? How you gonna do that? But you know what it is? It's all about focus. You know what I'm saying? You always have to have focus. Number one rule in life, focus. You know what I'm saying? If you don't focus, then it won't be possible. Then you won't be able to get these. You won't be able to get your Panda dunk. You know what I'm saying? It's all about focus, really, and that's what I do. I focus on what I want in life, and you know, and then here I am right here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of work. A lot of work to get, where I came, but I did it with passion. I did it with, friends, family, and ultimately, I ain't give up. I never give up the fight. You always gotta boom, 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 boom. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Never stop. You know what I'm saying? No matter the haters, no matter whatever, block them. Because at the end of the day, it's all about you. You the only one that matters. Nobody in this planet matters more than you. You gotta put yourself first. And what makes you happy? Honestly, this makes me happy. You know what I'm saying? Collecting sneakers, merchandise, games and stuff. And not only, collecting, but, you know what I'm saying? Looking fly, I'm stepping my style up, stepping my game up, you know what I'm saying? Came a very long way, but, you know, I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up, you know what I'm saying? I can help you. If you know what I'm saying? Just let me know. Step your style up, step your game up. So yeah, guys, I'm about to go outside to the city and I'm about to enjoy my rest of the day. But yeah, let me know if you like the video, Subscribe, and on the go. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on everything, And yeah. Ooh, damn, these pandas are fire. You know what? I'm gonna put these on today. I think today's a good day. I'm gonna put these on today. You know what I'm saying? I can't complain. Calm, go with anything. Black, white, leather. Can't go wrong, guys. Alright, y'all enjoy your day. No matter what the haters say, block them. And always just know one thing. Keep go 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 go. Don't stop. If a hater be like, yo, what you doing? Hey, yo. Keep going. Forget all the haters. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, you are the fire. You are that fire. You know what I'm saying? Nobody matters but you. Do your thing. Oh, these are fire. These smell good. I ain't gonna lie, guys. These smell good. These Panda is fresh. Woo! Enjoy, y'all.